Hi guys, welcome back. This is 2000 Gaming again, bring another Lost Sword content. So what do we have currently right now in the anniversary? Lots of things going on. So I'll be showing you how it goes. So before you go in, okay? So you want, if you click this, okay, and click your character here, you can change your background, okay? Right now, currently, if you bought stuff here, like $40, you're gonna be getting these skins, okay? But the problem is, we have a free Asteria here. So how do you get free Asteria? It's very easy. If you like, just go get this one in here. Go to your mail when you open your account, and it is gonna be she's gonna be free. Okay. There's gonna be lots of events going on. See, look at this. We have quite a lot of this. Wait a minute. Whoa, 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 whoa. Holy, wait a minute. They're giving away a skin as well. Are you kidding me? Wait, 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 wait. No, no, no. They're giving an Asteria? Wait, wait, wait. Let's see this. Like, wait, are we getting a Asteria skin? This is wild. Like, I'm a bit confused. I have already Asteria. I have the skin. But if they're giving away this skin, it's kind of wild, right? Like, wild. Like, is it? Like, comment down below if you've gotten for free to play, if you gotten a new skin, the lingerie skin of Asteria, or you just got Asteria's icon. Okay? So yeah, most likely you just got, like, bro, like, this is the lingerie. I'm gonna get demonetized here. I'm gonna get demonetized here. But like, technically this should be her regular. This should be her regular. Like, if you equip it like that. So it means, are we getting a skin? Like, are we getting a skin, really? Like, comment down below, guys. It's a bit wild if you get that. So you get the skin and you get her as well in the inn. So that's wild, okay? I'm just saying, that's kind of wild. So again, if you want to change her, go get that and then click her here. Go to your in background. I don't want to get demonetized yet. You can just put her there, okay? You can put her there. And then you can change the BGM as well. It's already there that you can change the background. You can change that for your account, okay? So that's one that they've done. Also, there's events going on as well. So if you go click here, same as, like, if you go to battle, go to your event, same as, holy moly. So your ill-fated gambler, and then this lady, Eternal Flame, look at her staring down menacingly down on us. So, and then I just want her to step on me in a way. So there's gonna be an event. We have an elemental passage there, same as. And again, the summons, we have Flame K, holy, the pet, holy. The animation looks badass. She looks badass here, guys. Like, she's so shiny. And then now we have our fire pickup banner. That's we were talking about for newer players. Maybe, again, if you're new and you want to push content and you don't have resources, maybe pull for the regular banner. Okay, like, see, I'm gonna select here. Maybe do I have? I think I have, like, do I have Belsi as 5-star already? Let me see if I have Belsi. Well, I have Awakened Belsi. So let's see. Fire pick up. Let's character select. You can switch in between, okay? So maybe I have Karishara. Like, I can get Karishara to awaken, okay? But you're gonna be using pick up character summon. So be careful with this, okay? Carnival pick up. So the best choice that you can get is Lohen Green. Okay, Lohen Green. And then Flame K, I'll be talking about this one further. And then the fire pick up. Uh, I might get, so I got Karishara here. Like, pet, I'm not quite sure. You can switch this one, guys. Okay, you can switch this to another one. Okay, but like, again, if you're new, maybe you can consider Belsi as your push character, because, like, again, I'll be talking about further details on Flame K and what she entails moving forward. But like, this is currently what we're talking about here. So you have a free character summon here. Know for a fact we're gonna get a lot of pulls, so maybe just chance your way. Maybe don't pull for Flame K yet. Maybe pull here in the chance for you to get more characters, okay? And also, once you click this, we have quite a lot of more rewards moving forward. Look at this. Boom, 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 boom. Okay? Lots of rewards. We'll try to summon. Hopefully we get Flame K randomly in this regular banner. So let's see. Okay, I got Karishara. Holy. Just got her randomly here. It's kind of wild. Holy man. And Tristan, I got her. So like, look at this. In the regular banner. So probability. So it's gonna be, where is Flame K? Flame K is here, guys. Okay, Flame K is here. So better pull here in the regular banner first, and maybe at the end of maybe one day before the end of Karisha, like Flame K's banner for newer players, then that's the time you pull for her. Okay, but like if you really want to, you can build your team. That's what I was saying. Build your Lueria, build your Morgana Le Fay, maybe T3 Morgana Le Fay, build your because you can change anyways. You can change. So you can change. I can change this one. So I can change to maybe Belsi, or I can change to Christina or Karishara. So I'll change here. Morgana Le Fay. I can change this one as well and get like Lueria or whatever you want. But the problem is you're gonna be spending premium tickets. Okay, so be careful with it. Okay, be careful with it. Just use your pet summon, character summon first. Don't use your gems on this, guys. Don't use your gems. Just use your regular pulls and then use your gems on the premium banner. Okay? So, I think that's it. I'm really happy. I'm really excited to what we got. Like, comment down below, guys. Like, are they really giving that premium skin? Like, are they just giving it away? But like, if they're giving it away, or maybe they're just giving away the character itself. Because the thing is, you cannot access the character, or you cannot access the in manager if you don't have the character. If you get what I mean. Because like Mary, Summer Mary, you need to pull for Summer Mary first before you can get the attendant. So maybe they just maybe everybody just got a free Asteria in a way. So I want to hear from you guys. Comment down below. This again 2000 Gaming, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Bye-bye.